There is a misconception that repair shops want to take your money. I'm not going to talk for other repair shop. I can talk only about our repair shop. In our repair shop, we never try to upsell you. We try to give you only the recommendations of what your car needs. Yeah, in the shorter time, the cost of maintenance is going to be a little higher, but the cost of repair is going to dramatically decrease. And this is a great example of that. The customer came about 6 months ago for routine maintenance, and we advised him that he had to take care of the oil leaks. If not, they're going to cause the premature wear of parts. The oil was leaking from the valve covers, and it leaked down obviously because of gravity, and it leaked on the belts, the water pump, the AC compressor, the idler pulleys, and of course on the alternator. The car was towed into the shop a couple of days ago, and the battery was dead, and we conducted the diagnostics and found out that the alternator is not functioning. When we looked at the alternator was soaked with oil. If the customer fixed the oil leaks 6 months ago when he came into the shop, his alternator would have still be okay, and he would have run with the alternator for another probably 2-3 years without a problem. Alternators usually don't wear out unless you drive without a good battery, or unless you have oil leaking into the alternator, and that's what happened in that case. So take my advice, when you come to our shop, we make you recommendations. When you come for general service, we make all the recommendations that we see that you need to do as far as maintenance to prevent the expensive cost of repairs.